Hey guys, what's up? So I was doing just some stuff and stumbled on one thing, and I thought that some people actually might be looking on how to do that. So for a simple example, I have here GitLab open with a repository of the Git as Apex UI widget header max, but the repository name doesn't matter here. So when we try to clone it, as we're used to, like clone with SSH, you go to the copy, you go to your Linux CLI or Windows, and you just type git clone, then the repository name, you get fatal, could not read from remote repository. Make sure you have the correct access rights. Then if that's your first time in this GitLab account, you'll also see this pop-up. You can't push or pull repositories using SSH until you add an SSH key to your profile. And SSH pulling and pushing is kind of thing now. So you actually need to do that. And you just smash this big blue button, add SSH key, which leads you here. And there is add new key button where you actually need to write it. How to get it? It's super simple. You again just open your CLI where you are trying to pull repository and type SSH key again. I will overwrite my existing one, so overwrite yes. Enter passphrase if you wish, enter same passphrase again. This one is generated, then this one, your public key has been saved in a directory. And pay attention, you need to share only public key and nothing else. So what we do here is just cat this file, grab the key itself, copy paste, make sure that you don't pull in any extra characters as that's going to break. Other values are pre-filled, so the title is root, this usage type, authentication and signing, and expiration date. Like you can set some custom stuff if you want. So add key, and that's it. Like we can try to go back to our Alma Linux again and type git clone, and this right now cloning into, yes, we did it successfully. So repository is cloned. And where to actually find this stuff once you let me go back. It's Apex UI widgets header max. If let's say we don't have this pop-up anymore and our key is expired, where can you find it to add some new stuff? You just need to go for your user profile and click on the preferences, and here you will find SSH keys, and there we go. Like if you want to add a new key, just smash the button and repeat the operation. And don't you worry, you can copy paste my keys. Those are deleted now. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this will be helpful for someone. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.